Grok has live web search, image, and video generation, while Meta AI is now powered by Meta's new Muse models and is deeply connected to Instagram, WhatsApp, Facebook, and even AI glasses. So if you could choose only one, which AI would actually be more useful? I tested both across research, creativity, images, voice, and everyday tasks. Let's compare them. First, Grok is xAI's AI assistant. It can search the live web, reason through complex questions, analyze files, generate images and videos, use voice, and even run multi-agent research. Its current Grok experience also includes Grok Imagine for image and video creation. Space xAI Docs. Meta AI is powered by Muse Spark, Meta's newer model family. It's available through the Meta AI app and Meta.ai, with integration across WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, Messenger, Threads, and Meta's AI glasses. About Facebook, let's give both the same prompt. What's happening in AI right now? And what are the biggest developments I should know about? This is where Grok has a serious advantage. Grok is built around real-time web search and live information, and it can use multiple agents to investigate different parts of a question in parallel. SpaceX AI. Meta AI can also research topics and combine information from the web with public content from Meta's apps. Its newer research mode can synthesize information from websites, research papers, creators, and communities. About Facebook. For pure research, I'd give Grok the edge. Now let's test creativity. I'll give both. Create a cinematic futuristic city at night with flying cars and neon reflections. Grok can generate images and videos directly inside the same conversation, and Grok Imagine supports text to image and image to video workflows. SpaceX AI Rais ID. But Meta AI has become much more interesting here. Its Muse image model can generate and edit images, combine multiple references, understand complex prompts, and even let you sketch changes directly onto an image. About Facebook. For everyday social media creativity, Meta AI gets my advantage. Here's where Meta AI really separates itself. You can have natural voice conversations, interrupt the AI, switch languages, and use the camera to ask about what you're seeing. Meta AI can also connect with the ecosystem you already use every day. About Facebook, Grok also offers natural voice conversations, file analysis, image and video generation, and connectors for services like email, files, and calendars. SpaceX AI Docs. Research, Grok. Reasoning, Grok. Image creation, Meta AI. Video creation, Grok. Voice, Meta AI. Social integration, Meta AI. Overall, Grok. So which one should you use? Choose Grok if you want research, live information, reasoning, coding, and AI image/video creation. Choose Meta AI if you want an assistant that's deeply connected to Instagram, WhatsApp, Facebook, voice, images, and everyday life. My personal opinion, if I'm choosing one AI for serious research and creative work, I'd pick Grok. But for social media and everyday AI assistance, Meta AI is becoming extremely hard to ignore. If you enjoyed this comparison, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more AI tool comparisons.